Humanizing technologies.
Hello and welcome back to the third part of the Pepper navigation tutorial. In the last part we saw how easy it is to use our RMS online platform to create a project with the navigation, or how easy it is to use the navigation in our software. So now we want to see how it looks like on the robot. First of all, we need to close the current application, the creation tool, and of course start the RMS. When the application is started, here again the robot needs to localize itself. Therefore, we created a new button in the hidden menu of the RMS. So the first thing you need to do when you restart the robot or when you start our application, you need to let it localize itself. This needs to be done once after restarting or starting the application. Then the robot knows where it is on the map. So we open the hidden menu. Here's the new button, Localize Robot. We close the hatch, let it localize. I step back a few meters while it is localizing. And now it's finished already. So we can use now the functionalities. Therefore, we update our project to be sure that the last things we changed are on the robot. Once again, no, don't open the hatch again, because then you would move the robot again and it doesn't know anymore where it is. So I just turn around and the robot moves with me. I go to the hidden menu again. And I update the CMS content. Great. And now we can let the robot move around. First of all, I start the non-interactive slideshow, just to let it move once in a circle.
I am starting the non-interactive slideshow. Please follow me.
So it moves to position A. Then it shows the picture or something you have created there.
I have arrived at position.
Like
now
this.
follow me to position B. I will show the next slide on the way to position B.
Now it is showing the
I
slide.
can explain something and show pictures on the screen while driving. Isn't that great?
While moving.
Okay, so let's go back to the starting position.
It has arrived at position B and it is moving back to home now. Here we go. This was the first circle. The robot was non-interactive, so we try the interactive slideshow now.
I have arrived at the home base. Let's go one more time.
Skip that. So it finished the first circle and we now start the second one, the interactive slideshow. While it is driving or while it is on the move around the circle of the second slideshow,
Nice
the
to meet
interactive
you.
one,
Do you want to hug
it
me?
should recognize me as a person and then ask me if I want to have a hug. So let's see if this works. I start the slideshow, move away.
I am starting the interactive slideshow. Let's see who I will meet. I have arrived at position F. Now I go to position B. I will show the next slide on the way to position B. I can explain something and show pictures on the screen while driving. Isn't that great?
Hello.
What's going on?
Now it has interrupted the slideshow as it has recognized me as a person. And now I can interact, I can talk to it.
Nice to meet you. Do you want a hug?
Yeah, now I can interact with the robot, do the normal stuff. I can play games with it, I can do stuff. And when I move away, the robot is in the solitary mode again. And there we have set up the resume functionality, so the robot should continue with the slideshow, with the circle. So I move now.
No body around. Okay, let's go on. I am starting the interactive slideshow. Let's see who I will meet. I have arrived at position F. Now I go to position B. I will show the next slide on the way to position B.
Here we go.
I can explain something and show pictures on the screen while driving. Isn't that great?
You have seen that it was interrupted.
Okay, so let's go back to the starting position.
And now it's interrupted again because I'm here at the side.
Nice to meet you. Do you want a hug?
And this would continue again if I move away. Alright, this was the functionality of the navigation. And yeah, best thing, it is for free. So use it, try it, and have fun with it. Bye!
See you later.
Humanizing technologies.